As designers, we're all aware of the all-white look that feels like a calm sanctuary, but sometimes that all-white space may feel a little bit too unfinished, maybe a little bit too safe. You'd rather want some oomph. Known as Negresco quartzite, this is Omega Black. Designers like yourselves, they love it. It stands out without being loud or noisy. It does not beg for attention, but it certainly commands it, whether it's a fireplace, a statement floor with warm wood, even metals. It grounds lighter colors, anchor any space. If you opted for natural stone as opposed to artificial, Omega Black is actually a great way to showcase that. The color paired with lighting actually amplifies the depth and texture of the warm browns that you'll see, along with the white veining. It emphasizes each unique character, an intentional combination of material and color, not just decorative. Sometimes a space might look great at one point of the year, and at other times of the year, maybe not, even becoming a little outdated. But black is classic, and yet feels so beautifully modern and timeless. Located in the Essential and Boutique collections, our Omega Black has 7 different designs, all brushed. What we pride ourselves in is our 3-part packaging. Every tile comes with a cellophane, foam, and a nice stiff undercarriage to help prevent our tiles from moving.